In this video, I will show you how you can search VRBO by property number. Every property that gets listed on VRBO is assigned a number. Let me just quickly show you, if you are a host, how you can find your property number. Once you are logged into VRBO from your computer, it is displayed here at the top, as well as you can click on property here and click on property details. And this is your property ID. If you want to preview your listing, or if you want to just go to your listing, you can click on this number and it will take you straight to the listing. But if you just know the ID of a property on VRBO, and it's very simple, just copy the number you see, type vrbo.com / and paste the number and hit enter. That's all you need to do. Just type vrbo.com / the number, and that will land you to the property you are looking at. I hope you find this video useful. Please do like and subscribe to my channel, and leave me a comment if you would like me to make a video about something which is troubling you. Until next time, bye-bye.